Estimating. It's an essential part of your business. And the busier you get, the harder it is to find the time. If only you could find a way to get the estimates done so you can stay focused on your work. Time you called on Diligent Estimating Consulting. We provide estimating services in commercial construction. Diligent is your one stop for all your estimating needs. Our customers are small and medium-sized subcontractors just like you. Our professionally experienced staff are ready to help you at our convenient location or through virtual office platforms. With Diligent on your side, you'll have your very own estimating department. The Diligent team are highly experienced estimators. We'll put together all the project costs and have them ready for your review, so you stay focused on getting the job done. At Diligent, we understand your time is precious. If you're looking for a more efficient way to do business, look to the team at Diligent Estimating Consulting. It all adds up to a better way to do business.